Hi friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel Technical Eye. Today I am going to discuss about the topic how to create a new virtual machine in VMware Workstation and how to install Windows 11 in VMware Workstation. So for that, first you need to download the Windows 11 ISO image, open the browser and type download Windows 11 ISO file and hit enter. Open this website, scroll down, download Windows 11 disk image for 64 devices, select the ISO image, Windows 11 multi-edition ISO for 64 devices, select the ISO image, tap on confirm. Here it is asking for product language, select the language. Tap on confirm. Tap on 64-bit download. So after you tap on 64-bit download, the download will begin. Tap on 64-bit download. Here you can see the Windows 11 ISO image download will begin. In my case, I already download the file. So in this way, you can download the Windows 11 ISO image. If you want this ISO image download link, I will provide you in the video description below. Now open the Vmware Workstation. Tap on create new virtual machine. Here it will display two options, typical and custom. Actually, there is no much difference between these both options. Maybe 2-3 options may vary. I will go with typical. Tap on next. So after you tap on next, here it will display these options. Installer disk image file. Otherwise, I will install the operating system later. If you choose this option, I will install the operating system later. You need to add the ISO file at custom location. I will go with this option, installer disk image file, and tap on browse to add the ISO file. Navigate to the location where the ISO file is located. And select the ISO file. After you select the ISO file, tap on open. Tap on next. Here you can change the virtual machine name. Otherwise, you can go with the default one also. And you can change the location of where you want to install the virtual machine. Otherwise, you can go with the default one also. I want to change the location. Tap on browse. Select the location where you want to install the virtual machine. So after you select the location, tap on next and create a password. After you confirm password, please tap on next and enter the disk size also. I mean hard disk size, how much you want to give. Here it is giving you two options, store virtual disk as a single file, otherwise split virtual disk into multiple files. You can select any one. I will go with the default one, split virtual disk to multiple files. Tap on next. In case if you want to customize your hardware, you can customize here. So if you want to customize your hardware, tap on customize hardware. Memory by default it took actually 4 GB. I have 16 GB RAM, so I can provide up to 8 GB. So depending upon your physical RAM, you can provide the RAM here. So I have 16 GB RAM, so I can provide up to 8 GB, but I'm giving now 4 GB RAM here. So depending upon your physical RAM, please provide your RAM here. And processor, number of processor you can, if you want to give more, you can give also. 2 is enough. And if you want to change the core processor also, you can change core processor. So if you give 2, it will perform better. The is the ISO file location. And if you want to change the network adapter also, you can change. By default, it took the NAT actually. I want to go with rigid actually. So what is the difference actually? Bridged means will directly come to the virtual machine, it will directly come to the physical network. And if you provide, if you sell the NAT option, you will share the host IP address. You can go with NAT, or otherwise you can go with rigid also. So if you sell the NAT, it will share the host IP. If you sell bridged, it will go with the will directly come to the physical network. The virtual machine will directly come to the physical network. I will go with the bridged. And remaining options, remaining hardware components, USB and sound card, go with the default one. Tap on close, tap on finish. So after you tap on finish, you need to enter the key, you need to press any key. Tap on finish. Here it is creating disk. Please wait few seconds. And creation of virtual disk is finished. Just tap on this power on the virtual machine. Just tap on this power on this virtual machine. So after that, you need to immediately press any key. Here it will ask for the press any key. So press any key. So after you press any key, it will directly boot. So this is the option for to enter or exit full screen. If you want to exit or enter into full screen, you need to sell this option. Sell the language. You can go with the default one. Tap on next. Keyboard also go with default one. Tap on next. And go with the default one. Install Windows 11 and check this box. I agree everything will be deleted, including files and apps. This box also. Tap on next. Then it is asking for the product key. So tap on this one. I don't have product key. And go with Windows 11 Pro. Tell the edition Windows 11 Pro. Tap on next. Accept the license terms. Tap on accept. and say directly tell the disk. And if you want to make any partitions also, you can make here partition. Tap on create partition. I mean, if you want to split the drive, you can split here. You know already actually, 1 GB how much it will take, already that one. So I want to divide this 80 GB into two parts, 40 GB, 40 GB. So I will make partition each one 40 GB. Tab on apply. And the another disk also you can create partition. Tap on tell the other disk and tap on create partition. Tap on apply. And sell this partition. Tap on next. Here it will create system files and reserved files. Sell the partition. Tap on next. Tap on install. If you want to check the device specification also, you can check. Tap on install. So here you can observe. So during boot time, during installation time, the PC it will restart several times. Couple of times, the system it will restart during the installation. Now it is installing actually. The installation also it will take some time actually. Please wait for installation also. And during installation also, the system it will restart couple of times. So after installation is finished, the system it will restart. Here you need to select your country. Please select your country. Scroll down. Select the country. Tap on yes. Here it is asking for the keyboard layout. Tap on yes. Now it is asking for the second keyboard layout. Tap on skip. Otherwise, if you want to add, you can add also. If you don't want, you can skip also. Here it is checking for the updates. Please wait. Just name your device here. Give the name to your PC. Tap on next. Yeah, here you can observe actually it is asking for. Here it is asking for the how would you like to set up the device? Set up for personal use, set up for work or school. Tell this option set up for personal use. Tap on next. Here it is asking for the creating the Microsoft account. You need to log in with the Microsoft account actually. So Microsoft introduced actually new way actually. You can bypass the creating Microsoft account. So for that, you need to press the keys Shift F10 on your keyboard. So I will show you now how to how to skip the creating Microsoft account. I mean, this is the process called actually bypass the Microsoft account. So for that, you need to press the keys on keyboard Shift F10. So after you pressing Shift F10, it will open the terminal window. Please press Shift F10. So it will open the terminal window, command prompt. So you need to run this command actually. So please run this command. Start space ms hyphen cxh column local only. Start space ms hyphen cxh column local only and hit enter. So after you run this command, the page it will directly navigate to local account creation. So this process is known as bypass Microsoft account. So if you want to know about this complete process, I will give you the video link in the description below. So please watch that video also. Please hit enter. So it will directly navigate to the local account creation. You can see here. Please mention the account name. And enter the password also. If you want to keep, if you want to keep security questions also, you can keep. Tap on next. So in this way, it will directly navigate to the local account creation page. And if you have the account, you can directly sign in there. Otherwise, if you are using for the personal purpose, you can bypass the Microsoft account. Just is asking for choose privacy settings. So what are the settings if you want to enable or disable, you can choose here. Just if you want to enable, just toggle on. If you want to disable, just toggle off. Tap on accept. I think you remember also at the time of installation, we create two partitions actually. That's it, guys. In this way, you can create a new virtual machine in VMware Workstation and you can install the Windows 11 in VMware Workstation. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe and please hit like button and please hit bell icon for more upcoming videos. And please share the video with your friends and family also. Thank you guys. Thank you very much for your time.